Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are y'all doing? Hope you guys doing fine. Anyway, it's Sunday morning on the East Coast, June the 12th, 2022. I think I have a friend's birthday on this date, an old friend. So if you by any chance come across this video, listening to it, happy birthday, Jazz, from the East Coast. Subhanallah, mashallah. Anyway, people, here's a little update from me. Oh, by the way, Jazz, hope you and your family are doing great, whether you're in Nebraska or anywhere. Alright, anyway, here's my little update video, guys. Flowers blooming. So pretty, huh? My favorite. I mean, this is given from my neighbors a couple summers ago, and now it's growing like everywhere. Subhanallah. So this one here, and I did send some of the seeds to my family, so I hope you guys are planting this. So look how pretty it is. If you don't have the seeds, I will gather more, inshallah, and send next time. And this is also given to one of my neighbor from in the neighborhood. It's from Nicole. So pink and whatever this color is, like a strong, almost like a maroon or peony pink, pretty strong pink. Yep. Anyway, guys, see the chair there? See this tree here? I have a little surprise for y'all. Check it out. Check it out, people. Guess what I have to show? Yep, 3 blue-colored eggs in this nest that a bird been, I guess, making a home. And I just found out about this last Thursday, June the 9th. And finally, I have a chance to do a video on this surprise update from me to you guys. But to be honest, I've never seen blue-colored eggs like this, bird eggs like this, so pretty. So I'm so feeling blessed for this bird. I'm guessing it's blue hummingbird. I don't know what the species is going to be for this, birds when they get hatched by their mom. Oh, by the way, the mom just flew away because I was coming to the chair to get on to take a video. She just flew away, but she's not blue colored though. She's got like a strong orangey on her stomach. So I don't know what kind of species, but you guys bird lovers out there, I think you guys would know better than me. I just love animals, but I mean, I don't know everything, especially about birds, because there's so many birds. But I love birds, and since Spicy's been gone, the birds has been coming, freely and happily around the house, in front of the trees in front, on trees in the back. They just hang out a lot, so I'm happy for them. Anyway, so here's a little update for me. Hope this the mother will hatch this pretty eggs soon, and I'm not disturbing this family at all. I mean, I'm just feeling blessed that I get to see blue-colored eggs, bird eggs that I've never seen. Alright, people, just a little update for me. And this is how the sky is looking on the Sunday, June the 12th. And the birds are chirping happily. And the clouds are a little cloudy, heavy overcast. And it's drizzling right now, a little drizzle. Alright, people, just a little update from me. Hope you guys having a great weekend. So I'm wishing everyone Selamat Berhujung Minggu, guys. Enjoy. And I wish you can feel the hujan rintik-rintik here. But yeah, it's nice. Alright people, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.